A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम cursive letters का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Pencil कैसे hold करनी है बच्चों? Like this. नाउ सबसे पहले कौन सा लेटर लिखना है बच्चों? ए फॉर एप्पल. स्पीक विथ मी. ए फॉर एप्पल. नाउ ए फॉर एप्पल बनाने के लिए कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं बच्चों? फ्रॉम सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन. यू हैव टू पुट योर पेंसिल ऑन द सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन and draw a slanting line. First line is slanting line, then second is again slanting line, then loop between these two lines. Letter A for apple. What is the spelling of apple? Speak with me. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now A for apple के बाद B for ball. Now put your pencil on a dot, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a curve, a loop, then a curve. This is letter B. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L, ball. Now B for ball के बाद C for cat. Put your pencil on the blue line, draw a curve and a semicircle. This is letter C. C for cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. Now C for cat के बाद D for duck. D for duck. Put your pencil on a dot, draw a slanting line, a loop, then a semicircle and stop here. This is letter D. D for duck. What is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K, duck. Now D for duck के बाद E for elephant. Now put your pencil on the blue line, draw a curve, a semicircle, one more semicircle and stop here. This is letter E. E for elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? Speak with me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now elephant के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बच्चों? F. F for fish. F for fish. Now draw with me a curved line, a slanting line, again a curve, then sleeping line. This is letter F. F for fish. What is the spelling of fish? Speak with me. F-I-S-H, fish. Now F for fish के बाद G for grapes. G for grapes. Now put your pencil on a blue line, draw a curve like this, a semicircle, then slanting line, then again curve. This is letter G. G for grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now G for grapes के बाद H. H for house. H for house. Now H for house के बाद H for house कैसे लिखते हैं वो लिखते हैं. Now put your pencil on here, draw a curved line, slanting line, curve. Now again slanting line and a loop between these two lines. This is letter H. H for house. What is the spelling of house? H-O-U-S-E, house. नाउ H for हाउस के बाद I for igloo. I for igloo. Speak with me. I for igloo. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve, a slanting line, one more slanting line, then a curve. This is letter I. I for igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? I-G-L-O-O. Now I for igloo के बाद J for joker. J for joker. Put your pencil here and draw a curve, a slanting line, again a curve. This is letter J. J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? J-O-K-E-R. joker. Now J for joker के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बच्चों? K. K for kite. K for kite. Now draw with me a curved line, a slanting line, again a curve, a loop here, and one more curve. This is letter K. K for kite. What is the spelling of kite? K-I-T-E, kite. Now K for kite के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बच्चों? L. L for lion. L for lion. Now what is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. lion. Now आपको क्या करना है बच्चों? डॉट्स को मैच करके L for lion बनाना सीखना है. So put your pencil on the blue line. Draw a curve. ब्लू लाइन से लेकर रेड लाइन तक आपको कर्व लाइन बनानी है. देन एक लूप बनाना है. देन अगेन आपको एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन और लूप बनाना है. देन अगेन आपको कर्व बनाना है. दिस इज लेटर L. L for lion. वन मोर टाइम. L for lion. Curve, slanting line, loop, then again curve. This is letter L. L for lion. One more time here. Curve, loop, slanting line, loop, then again curve. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. Again, speak with me. L-I-O-N. lion. Now again write with me. Curve line, loop, slanting line, then again curve line. This is letter L. L for lion. Now what is the spelling of lion? Speak with me. L-I-O-N. lion. Now what do you have to do? Now आपको डॉट्स गिवन नहीं है ना, सो आपको क्या करना है? विदाउट ट्रेसिंग लिखना है. L for lion. सी हियर आपको कर्व लाइन बनानी है लाइक दिस. देन आपको लूप, स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड अगेन अ कर्व. दिस इज लेटर L. L for lion. वन मोर टाइम. सी हियर कर्व लाइन, slanting line, then loop, then curve line. This is letter L. L for lion. See last time. Curve, slanting line, then a curve and again a curve. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. lion. Now what do you have to do? In homework you have to practice the cursive letters and click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है? आपको कर्सिव लेटर की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.